Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw isometric projection of a cylinder of diameter 40 mm and axial length of 70 mm lying on HP, keeping its axis parallel to HP and VP both. Now they are saying it's a cylinder, right? 40, diameter 40, length 70, lying on HP, keeping its axis parallel to HP and VP both. So that means it is lying like this. So when you see from the front, you'll see a rectangle, and inside view you will see circle. Axis will be like this, parallel to HP and VP, so it will be this way. So in this case, first we will draw scale, which is 45/30. All of you know how to draw it. So we are done with the scale. Now we need to mark 40 and 70. So for 70 we'll take 60 and 10 over here. So it will be 70, and for 40 we'll take 40 to 0. Now it's a circular part, so no need to draw a helping figure. If you want to draw, you can draw a circle of diameter 40. If you don't want to draw, you can start directly. See, there is a difference between circle and square. In square, at times you need to draw helping figure, but in circle it is not required. So what I'm doing, I'm drawing the box. I'm taking 40 and I have marked on both the sides. Then I will draw a rhombus. All of you know how to draw circle in isometric by using 4 center method. So we are doing that. Now I'll take all these points behind. How much you have to go behind? We have to go behind by 70. So take 70 and you will cut. Then you draw a vertical line and you draw a line from here. Then you draw longest diagonal. We'll take half of it, or you can mark 20 from the scale and you can mark on it. So first you draw longest diagonal and then you mark midpoint. Then you join to the opposite corner like this. See, I'm taking 20 and I'm showing you it is same. This is point 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what you do, from 1 to M you take. This is M. So you take 1 to M and draw arc. Then from 2 again you draw arc. 3 to M. Again you draw arc. And 4 to M. Again you draw arc. So this is how you will get circle. Then you extend this behind. This is tangent, and then you take point 4, 1 and 3, all 3 of them behind by 70. See, we'll take 70, we'll cut from 1, this will be 1 dash, 4 dash and 3 dash. See this 1 dash, 4 dash and 3 dash. Then what I'll do, from 1 I will take original radius 1 to M, and from 1 dash I will draw an arc. Same I will do it with 3 to M, and I will draw arc behind. Same with 4 dash. From 4 dash we'll draw an arc. After that you draw tangent. So we are done with isometric projection. Now this is axis, point O. This is a center point. So we'll take axis length and we'll cut on it. So this will be the axis. OM, you can draw that, and you can do the dimensioning, and you can write isometric projection. So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.